DJs, and 3 DJs are here, professional DJs, DJ Lord, DJ Mike Smith, and DJ Mpesempese. I know you've not heard the voice of DJ Mpesempese yet. Surely you hear his voice so very soon. Now, let me still continue with DJ Mike Smith. So what is the preparation you guys do before you go for a gig as an artist DJ? What kind of preparations do you guys do before you go for a gig?
So with every gig, I do the playlist and I send it to him. That, bro, this is what I want us to do. And then he goes like, oh, bro, Mike.
Based on how many minutes you guys are performing, I guess.
Oh, bro, Mike, let's change this. Let's put this here. Let's put that here. After that, we'll meet together with the team, manager, all the boys, and then we decide, okay, you have to see a way first, you have to see a way last. Then we can rearrange it. I'm not the only guy on the team.
Yeah.
So they can all bring their ideas and then we put it together. And then we practice and then we go.
How do you practice?
I take my stuff to his house. He has a mic. We fix everything. We practice like we are performing.
Oh, okay. You do that how many times before the gig?
If we have a gig today, we will do that like twice before we go for the gig.
On the same day?
No.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah,
I get it.
Before we do, mostly is the night before the gig.
Yeah. And whilst doing it, I've seen people rehearsing where they sit to rehearse with a band. So whilst doing it with Medical, does he stand? Does he jump like you do it on the stage? Does he sit? How do you guys do it? I just want to have a picture of how you guys do it.
I guess I don't have to really say much about Medical. I guess you guys know how Medical is. He's a happy guy. He's a happy person. You know, so he's always a vibe. Like, we're always dancing, always jumping, always, you know. So that's how it is whenever we are practicing. His wife even comes to join him. And then we all jump. Like, it's like we are having fun. But then also we have an agenda. Like, okay, we are going for a show.
So the rehearsal is a powered microphone where he hears himself sing or rap.
Yes.
And you do that for the duration that you guys are going to be on the stage.
Yes. If it's 45 minutes, we'll do it. We'll repeat it several times before. Have you ever gotten a bad day on the stage that whatever you guys rehearsed, you got onto the stage and things had to change? Yeah, it happens all the time. That is where the DJ comes in. You have to be smart. You have to read the crowd. Okay, are they vibing to what he's doing? If not, change it for him. You sees everything. You see everything. So, okay, these people are not jamming. These people are not jamming. Okay, let's switch it up. And then, but you switch it up for him.
So when it happens like that, you move away from the playlist you created.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to shuffle it.
And I know that decision is not a decision that you're going to maybe consult him before you do.
No. Sometimes I do it and then he comes back and I was like, okay, that was good. That was good. You know, sometimes we talk about, he comes back and say, sometimes he even comes to the DJ and says that, bro, Mike, okay, no, we do that, we communicate. Yeah,
I see. Okay, we are still here. This is the industry project. Mpesempese has joined us finally. I don't know what he was doing. Mpesempese, what were you doing?
Oh, Charlie, not traffic, no.
Now, I say, be out, baby. Oh, yeah, you never can quarantine and my late, no.
I know, party, me, your mom.
Sorry, not oh yeah, kakra. Meditation, I say. It's happy when you're enough meditation.
Yeah, be fun, sir.
And you bet me at was.
Akaba. Me respond with you, dear.
And then Brana Mobo Chromo.
Okay, I'll go one come to me. I know because me again.
Okay. Ojeku.
Flex, you rock.
Wow, DJ Mpesempese. Now Mpesempese, oh my, ni edi nkonkonsabi.
Me anamiti.
Na uti, Yesi DJs ebi o mudin na esre dodo. Mudin bi o ha yete o tepe na as a style bi.
Me kai say me share Killer Fingers wo. YFM. And I say wo bra. Me call you no say minimum. From Mpesempese. Na sisandino. But me reason me fa Mpesempese ni say na your friend me DJ Brave.
Okay.
BRAVE. DJ Brave. But me sure o Google DJ Brave o be hu say a foreign DJs
be the beba.
And what would you do? Say obi pese or Google your friends say DJ Brave no ko Google no be opem na okumuni pa fofora. Na ayebibi. So I decided to change the name.
Okay.
But so na me hu din a me de be ma me ho.
Okay.
And one of my guys and I'm in the same work. DJ Juman, mobile DJing. I've been a mobile DJ for a very long time.
Okay.
No, they be no enyumbi wo honom. O pepa Mpesempese se me pewu, Mpesempese se onu bewu. Enti o de because am I Rasta nti no humia o tidy di saro for no. And then I sat back and me say okay, because now I'm for pram I'm for so I started say omumi am from Mpesempese. Okay, then I should
just that time class na Mpesempese ni nyi sa.
Crack ne enyi and so no more from Mpesempese. And I say okay, then Killer Fingers I come back. I think it was a minya dia if somebody googled me obi hu me and I'm a fan Mpesempese and I'm a twaso sa.
Oh, I see. Ni ye share say Mpesempese ye radio DJ, club DJ, artist DJ or mobile DJ. Emu die na over the years why ye pa man for nimu.
Mobile DJing. And then also pub.
Okay. And what you as a mobile DJ, how do you do it?
I know the I have some more.
Never can
shows Befrel. And then Obeko. So movie free hand and I mean my boss shows my mobile your friends in Eastern region pa.
Okay.
Nkoko ko top on na me your friend is saying Odan name your honors can one. No, Akram wo favorite DJ ntia ya me nkoko no. Akram wo favorite DJ.
Akram wo favorite DJ.
To say Mike Smith money, Naroski money. Ntia ya me ntanko hono. Ebe kwa me nya hwe. Ntia so me teach. Oh, na even your friends last year Christmas cry na me na Mbole.
Bole Bamboy.
Yeah, hono side. Anytime on the side, I see you get young crew on.
Enti eno okwa only equipment na ekwa na onko na wo de
omo pay equipment one because e bia new man do so kwan no so wa.
Yeah.
We befa flight free and mako kuma say no man free and mako. And then kwan no so no baby one man yet, so you can't just
yeah.
And equipment.
Aya omo ye den omo hu. How did they find you? Because say you are based in Accra.
Yeah. I'm based in Tema. Okay, great.
Yeah, you are based in Tema. Good. And omo ye den omo timi find you no mo de wako. Omo de wako Bole Bamboy Odan Nkoko. How did they find you? I
started with social media, Facebook. So me promoting me ame ho. Your friend is saying
social media,
Facebook, me short videos, me performing live and sometimes me pre-recording my posting. So now me advertising me home on Facebook. So Facebook ana home. Yeah.
Inti omo for maybe artist shows, parties, den party, den programs na mo tie fro pan.
Parties. No dey jaibo. No jaibo.
Omo biem.
Agin ni enwa won. Na nkasa dey jaibo. Because na nkasa no stress o no so mu ntia papa.
David chain. As a DJ na ya frɛ no gig bi a be frɛ bi e betu ya oka. Enti what do you mean by ye ni dey jaibo?
Say no oni omo bagani a baby a opesa to ma na nto ho. Enti enya ade a wo se wokɔ. Omo person omo ma omo budget. Enso who can here
so omo boka omo to fun adaka.
And one thing is a year they don't respect DJs. I'm telling you.
A year asia. They don't respect.
They don't respect you at all. We be about live man omo respecting saying wow who from let's say starting free wake keeping in. But no about live man 30 minutes no who need be ania kwa be check it.
Enti a year for any dey mo jaibo.
Oh me dey me jaibo.
Who jaibo?
You say bia DJ Mike Smith.
Mike Smith kwale menye so wa boy yempo da. Lord now Sunday obo. DJ Lord no Sunday. Wa be friend ye, friend no timi bo. So far no. Enti what when the artist in so ye jumada?
Yeah, many artists are jumada. Many still one your friend
Rafenzi. Yeah, I think I've heard the name before.
Me no the young started free young kwala bremunti. And na me and me boku nkubi na me recording in your manema.
Okay.
Yeah, you started from.
Okay, because of all area now, but my maybe a question way. Oftentimes, DJs omajuma wo show artist performances. Ebia nya artist back home be new back miensa na ona ujina hwa. Aya bubuta ifupa DJ sticker say. When any boss side na one made be about 2 blows is here. Then I am mumpe during such gigs. Ebia or the pen drive bar way. And then I am mumpenti and mamutimi drop within those sessions no.
More times, you know, up and coming ones, you know, because more times, sometimes, big shows were pram to say homo festivals. Omo did some fa omonyumra because me say me bought a USB na me use me bought na or the pen drive ballet na me de share itu me controller USB na. Crowd ni be jina ho na amama ye.
One message showing na app.
So at enti ya catch me say bring your songs early na yenye folders into honum e do time I be perform here then I know the obaba be performing now what find new way almost someone yen is how they want to wait show neighbor up and coming artists we na bigger artists about be perform here having on so person no we don't do it like that big
Mosumu Musa, etimishi omopa. My maybe Sam Mike Smith this experience. Have you also shared this same experience? Mpesempese is telling us.
We are DJs, so we all go through that. Like sometimes.
But why do you guys get angry? Why?
So here's the thing. Events we are no your time. Mo be and me say me time so na ma be bona me call. Obi an the time. We say why events be brave? You've witnessed a lot of them as well. Oko eventer, the big artists ni share every year. Infiti no, up and coming. I think also be chere de obi tinya na nkofo hu. Na chine bi nso okoti udin we say perform we how ya there. But bad time big artists na ba no omo need time. What you say? Inti brantem na ye wade but say me artist abasa obe performing na also afi na abasa obe performing. I won't allow you. I won't allow you to mess up my artists.
So your issues is with the time,
the timing, and some of them have attitude. Actually, yeah, some of them have attitude. Bar like they are already made artists.
That's how they feel like.
Yeah, some of them. That's how they feel. You know, Charlie. Me
blame my friends promoters no. Omo me can they be as a me show. I'll just prepare everything. Maybe list now your artist now over middle of the show. Me mau chance in performing. Everything has to be said before the time. And just confusion beba these artists, biggest one, small one, they be a confusion beba. Because time be do na me ba be performing. Me ma timing yeah the ashisha hon e be so a big artist me tua neka so be perform enti say the time do no one performing no kwa na obi performing no kwa mean to me nyewe.
Okay, DJ Lord, so how do you want to handle that situation? Maybe the artists are listening. What advice can you share with them? Say ne pese mo ye no mo ba asana sene ma problem biama.
Mpesempese can be concerning like issues now with the artists. I remember some time back I was in Central University. Some artists wanted to perform about late. And so I can say every art because of time in New no. Everyone is supposed to perform 2 songs each.
Yeah.
But no first song, second song. Now you want to still continue to perform. Say, there's one other song. This one here, put that one. Okay, I'm like wait. And then I decided to tell my people, Charlie, I beg, let's give him just this last chance for him to perform.
He was an established artist.
No, I don't want to even mention the name. So
no, Lord, take your time. If you mention the name and we all know him, then he's not.
No.
So
the guy was performing. I feel mommy pressure because there were big artists
waiting
backstage here waiting.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided to just cut the guy. Mm-hmm. He was still rapping, doing a cappella. Yo. So on mommy saying, yo DJ, or can mic no more like yo DJ, next tune. And I did this. I was even giving him sign. I didn't want the crowd to notice there's, a miscommunication.
Yeah.
But the guy was like, yo, he used the F word. Play the F song. I'm like, yo, bro, relax. Someone else needs to come on stage. Then or you say like, oh, PM a laptop, you know. So there, now like me a ball. Do you get it? These are some of the things and I feel say artists know. Mpesempese was saying the amount of time you're supposed to come on time. There's some few artists I can mention. Their names are just like
always on point.
Always on point. Always on point.
So who can you mention?
Young Pabi.
Okay.
Kula. I'm not saying say only underground artists. Like they are also trying to get to the top. Yeah. Kula, Young Pabi, a lot. I can't mention all of them, but I mean. These guys need to take things serious.
Okay.
Because me as a DJ, if you see member 8, that's a member 9. Imagine say program already my delay program in 1 hour.
Yeah.
And me as a DJ, I need to get there 2 hours before the gig
to be able to do a
check
setup
everything.
and
Some of them will not even come for sound check. You get it. Into Ubono, they'll bring the pen drive. Oh, I beg copy this my song. And I didn't see USB in ADA Juma. So if I plug that pen drive. And BBR freezes here and the music just stopped. They'll be like, everybody be looking up
DJ,
oh DJ, and they will even say you can even lose a gig. You can lose huge amount of money. Yeah. ABR, the gig is paying you 5,000. I'm with you about 3,000. I got 2,000 on my mouth.
Oh now, laptop are freezing.
They can decide not to pay you. Because once I need contract, I will say anything at all. I'll be it will go against the program. No, you need to they will not pay you the rest of the money. And it happens. It has happened to me before.
Wow. The organizers never paid the rest.
For me, they paid, but I was lucky. It was a wedding. I delayed a bit, but Saturday, I think that's even my best wedding so far. Saturday, the program was very me say Huankasa. So the groom came and was like, Charlie, you really make lucky. Because when I got there, they were ready to enter. And I had their songs and everything.
Now set up.
So I rushed. That day I had a little problem, so I couldn't get there early. So me and I made sure that program was on point. So can't be crack on.
But Okasa, you were lucky.
I was very lucky because he decided not to pay me the rest of the money.
Wow.
I begged him say when CB once I'm make a crown so
wow.
Yeah, wow. So artists they need to really take their time serious. They need to take everything serious. One day they will blow. Sometimes if let's say be a frustration kakra or until but we all started that way.
In fact everyone has one frustration or the other.
Me when I started Mike Smith, I use Mike Smith as an example because I see him as a big brother. Good. The time I starting, I wanted to join YFM some time back. He knows
the struggle.
Yes, he knows very well. So we've all been through that. So I feel say they should just take their time, stick to their, whatever thing they are doing,
game plan, and do it. Okay, still.